Namaste, this is Jiban from Jigri Sekuwa, Baluwatar. We are allocated at Baluwatar Pavitra Workshop Chowk. It's near to Russian Embassy, and we are serving here Sekuwa with Nepali Sitan drinks at MRP, and we are having here ultra LED screen, and because of that our mostly guests are very happy to enjoy international live matches plus with our special food and the beverages as well. And because of this screen we are our guests are very happy because during their events like birthday celebration or something, we are screening their photos or videos at our ultra LED screen. We are feeling very lucky to have this LED screen at our outlet. यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो एम्बियन्समा पनि धेरै एकदम प्लस पोइन्ट भइरहेको छ एज पर हाम्रो गेस्टहरुको अनुसार चाहिँ. थ्यांक यू भेरी मच.